आज जो सकाळी तुम्ही बॉम्ब घालो तो TCPचो 2-3 निर्णय आहात, विल गो वन बाय वन. पयलो निर्णय जो आसा तो एम्पेनल्ड आर्किटेक्टा कडच्यान एटेस्टेशन घेवपाचो.
बरोबर.
आणि एक दुसरो की 21 दीस मेरेन जर तुमची फायल तशीच जर उरली जाल्यार डीम्ड एक्सेप्टेड म्हणून. कित्या खातीर ह्या दोन्ही निर्णय?
ना, यू हॅव टू गो. ॲक्च्युली यू हॅव आस्क्ड मी अ क्वेश्चन, बट यू शूड ॲक्च्युली पीपल ऑफ गोवा आनी गोंयचे जनतेक आमी पयलो जो विशय आमी घेतलो 500 स्क्वेअर मिटर पर्यंत प्रत्येक घराक बिल्टअप एरिया जमीन जर 500 स्क्वेअर मिटराची असल्यार 500 स्क्वेअर मिटरची बिल्टअप एरिया प्लस ग्राउंड प्लस 2 अलॉंग विथ स्टिल्ट we have put it under this self attestation for single dwelling unit with single electric connection and water supply. हे कित्याक कारण आमी केले? कारण सामान्य जनतेक केन्ना धक्के खावपाची परिस्थिती येता. हांवें पळयलां की सिस्टम कशी चलता. ती सिस्टम जरा स्ट्रीमलायन करपाक डिपार्टमेंट म्हाजे कडले असल्या कारणान म्हाजे कडेन तो तरेचो बोर्डा कडेन ते तरेचो अधिकार आहा. बोर्डान चर्चा करून आमचें एक विजन आशिल्लें की हे जे आमचे देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी आहा हेंचे विचार हे सामान्य जनते पर्यंत हे टाउन प्लॅनिंगच्या माध्यमांतल्यान कशें पावोवपाचे म्हणून हांवें ठरयलें की अप टू 500 स्क्वेअर मिटर वी विल फर्स्ट टेक एन बेसीक एक्सपेरिमेंट अँड देन परहॅप्स वी कॅन इनक्रीज इट. अँड म्हणून आमी आतां कमिंग टू दॅट स्टेप ऑफ आर्किटेक्ट्स, we have taken the step of architects where certified architects up to the age of 30, and this also after discussion in the board, up to the age of 30 having 5 years of experience after having the registration with the respective council which has got a branch in Goa. त्याच्यानंतर ह्या आर्किटेक्ट्सांक we are giving them the power, only they have to be empaneled and registered with the department to attest. Then online you can pay the fees. गरज इतल्याच खातीर आशिल्ली टू ब्रिंग द आर्किटेक्ट्स ऑन बोर्ड इज टू मेक द सिस्टम मच मोर इजी एंड एक्सेसिबल टू कॉमन मॅन. सो दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट file movement of 21 days. Generally, if you want to talk of ease of doing business, then there has to be accountability at every officer's level. I have come here to basically do business very strictly. I have been put here by the Chief Minister and the central leadership to see with a specific agenda to see that certain things are made easy for the common man. My party has put faith in me. I cannot let my party down. I cannot let my Chief Minister down. I have to go by what the Chief Minister says on ease of doing business. What is ease of doing business? There has to be a timeline for everything. Ease cannot be for 1 year somebody doesn't clear somebody's file. That is not my concern. My concern as a Minister for Town Planning is to see that the people of Goa get relief. Whether he's a small man or he's a big builder, I really don't care who he is. I only want that this Department of Town Planning does justice by bringing in the right type of rules, regulations, formulation of right type of guidelines so that the common man gets benefit. So we have said 21 days in case of plots up to 2,000 square meter, projects up to 2,000 square meters. Above that, we have said 45 days if there is any query or anything. So this will give relief to a common man. फाल्यां त्या ऑफिसराकडे ट्रॅकिंग सिस्टम आमी घातलेले आसा. ट्रॅकिंग सिस्टम आमी आयज बोर्डान पास केल्ले आसा, जे खंय मनीस घरा कडेन बसून ऑनलायन आपली फायल ट्रॅक करूं शकता. मंत्र्या कडेन फायल आहा काय कोणा कडेन फायल गेली, ज्या दिसच्यान तेणी इन्वर्ट केल्ली आसा त्या फायलीचे स्टेटस कितें आहा, ह्यो सगळ्या गोश्टी 1 मेच्यान आमी इम्प्लिमेंट करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. आनी आमी करता. कदाचित 15-20 दीस फुडें फाटी जावं येत बिकॉज ऑफ गेटिंग एडिशनल स्टाफ एंड अदर थिंग्स. इट डज नॉट मॅटर. आय हॅव टोल्ड देम दॅट वील गिव्ह स्टाफ फ्रॉम अनदर डिपार्टमेंट वील डिप्लॉय, बट दीस हॅज टू स्टार्ट. आनी प्रत्येक टाउन प्लॅनराक काय डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल आसूं काय municipal limits and also my message to them is very clear. Whether it's the CEO of the municipality, if there are illegal construction during his tenure, it will be correlated to him and action will be taken against him. So now this urban development, I'm coming next. No illegal constructions will be allowed and then regularizing them. What is the meaning of that? Then what is the CEO doing in that municipality? CEOs, I have no business in allowing illegal constructions. I am having a meeting of that urban development also parallelly to this. And same
you are linking TCP with urban development.
I am linking it to urban development. And same way, many times when TCP gives clearance, somebody does not give. So all this has to be assessed and properly streamlined. And we must ensure that these things are streamlined for the benefit of the common man.
PDA ची गजाली काढून तुम्ही member secretary केलो.
No, I have not done anything new. I have only implemented the Town Planning Act as per the sections specified. Today in the board meeting in the agenda, we have given. I cannot take away the power of the town planner and say that I am going to sign X document or Y document. The power that is vested by the Act and power that have to be decentralized by Act. Again I am coming to the same question. We are talking of ease of doing business. Ease of doing business means the authority has to act. Authority, the power by the Town Planning Act is vested in the member secretary. So member secretary has to act, and this is not going to change. This is a part of ease of doing business, and what the Honorable Prime Minister of the country talks about ease of doing business and wants all of us as a party. We have been voted back to power in Goa. We have been given responsibilities. It is up to every minister to what extent he believes in ease of doing business, what extent he believes in transparency. I, for one, I am told, made a message, and पयर बी हांवें सांगलेलें आसा,
तुमकां दिसता सगळे
करप्शन जे जाता तुम्ही रेकॉर्ड करा, व्हिडिओ काढा, कितें जाय तें करा, कित्याक म्हाका काय हरकत ना. I am sitting today as Vishwajit Rane in front of you. I really don't care who carries a recorder and comes to my cabin, because I don't talk. I am not really bothered what happens. My here is a fear as to go down the system that people are watching. And people are watching very minutely as far as these type of sensitive portfolios are concerned. And I believe that I have to deliver on transparency.
तुमकां दिसता की राजकारणावर फायली येता तेन्ना प्रचंड करप्शन जाता म्हणून?
Now, not going on the, I am not talking of any corruption. I am talking of the simplification of procedures, simplification of doing business, simplification of investors feeling that they can come and invest in Goa and they will not be harassed. They have this is not only in terms of decision, it also is a perception that is created. We have to have a very clean perception. We have to ensure that people come and invest. People, Goa is the most favored destination today. आणि एक तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता की town planning department is a very sensitive department. As a result of which, I want to make things very clear in black and white from the beginning and monitor the implementation of what decisions we take.